Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Election Day. I wanted to make a short little video just to go over how to complete today's assignment. If you take a look in your announcements, you are going to see a big announcement for today with instructions on how to complete this assignment. It's really not as complicated as it seems, but I wanted to make a short video just to avoid answering lots of questions and to make sure that everybody could complete this today. So the first step is to come to your class announcements. If you click on Tuesday, you will see a link. It will take you directly to this announcement. Today, there's no live history lesson. However, today is election day. So you are going to do a graded assignment, presidential election 2020. Now, if you need some help on the instructions, I'm going to have this video right here so you can watch the video if you need some help. All extra links are provided below. So if you take a look, I have all of the links that are within this graded assignment down below, just in case you're having any problems. So opening up this assignment, I just simply click, and then this is going to open up my PDF. When you open this up, all it is a PowerPoint turned into a PDF. The first slide or the first page, you're going to see two links. One of them is going to be to a BrainPop video, and the other one is going to be to a form to complete while you are watching the BrainPop video. So if you just kind of click directly on it, this is a free video, so it should pop right up, and it's approximately 6 minutes and 52 seconds long. What I want you to do is I really want you guys to try to do a good job on these questions. There's 5 questions. I want you to answer them while or after you are done watching the video. It will probably be beneficial to watch them while you are doing the video. So a little bit about how electoral colleges work, how elections work. When you're all done with that, you're going to click next. And I'm just going to click all the wrong answers here. Maybe they're wrong. Maybe they're right. All right, let's go ahead and click next. Now, my second part of the assignment, after I watch those BrainPop videos, I am going to watch this video. Also, this video is also located in your announcement, just in case. There is a video of me doing a side-by-side comparison of all the candidates, or I'm sorry, the 2 candidates and all the issues. You can watch this or you can read this on your own. So if you come back to that Word document, you will see the same thing is up on these slides, or I'm sorry, on this Word document that you can actually read on your own if you don't want to listen to me. When you are done listening to that, I'm going to also have you come over here, take a look here. This is an actual live link. The live link is actually in your announcements as well. This will take you to a Scholastic website. This is kind of an optional thing if you'd like to learn a little bit more about the candidates. Maybe you yourself are interested in becoming a reporter. We have some kid reporters here. I thought this would be cool to check out. And then also, if you scroll to the end of your PDF document, I have a link directly to more information about Donald Trump, more information about Joe Biden. If you click on it, it will just take you directly to that Scholastic site. Now that Scholastic site, let me just kind of show you here. You see the kid reporters, the candidates, the issues, everything that you need is up here. If you want to search around, you certainly can. And again, this is more information about the candidates. So when you're all done comparing the candidates, you are simply going to cast your vote in our mock election. All right, now I have the other here. If you do not want to vote, you don't have to vote, but you must complete this assignment. So that's it. Once you're all done with the BrainPop video and comparing the candidates, you are finished with our assignment today. All right, boys and girls, remind all the adults in your life to go out there and vote today. I will see you all in class tomorrow to share the election results. Have a great day, everyone.